Making your home more efficient. We use a lot of power for lighting. So compact fluorescents, LED light bulbs, opening the shades on the windows, all of these things, when you have a window that isn't leaking energy, now come wintertime, you want to open that sucker up and enjoy the light and look outside and hope you don't have to go out there and shovel that snow. That's what kids are for. Go. Go and earn. I've been feeding you all year. Go. So you get the efficient lighting, insulation, you eliminate drafts, your home is more energy efficient. Next slide, please. Other things we can do, she talked about caulking and sealing, windows, doors, eliminating cracks in the envelope and ductwork. One thing that Grandpa always said, turn out the light if you're not in the room. And you'd be surprised how many businesses save thousands of dollars on their light bill by changing the type of light bulb and the type of transformer it uses, and actually having a switch where when people walk out of the room, the lights turn themselves off. You wouldn't believe it. Thousands and thousands of dollars. It's so just amazing. Programmable thermostats, you can do that with your home, you can do that with your business. Occupancy controls, turn things off, and basically just using power for your benefit. You're saying to yourself, that light is on, I'm not in the room, I'm not benefiting from it, let's just turn the light off. Here's energy efficient appliances. You know that now they make refrigerators that are more energy efficient. Everything toasters. This is called a tankless hot water system. And so one of the inefficiencies of a hot water system is you've got all that water sitting there. The thermodynamics is the heat wants to go out here and let the water get cool. Well, when you have the instant hot water heaters, when you ask for hot water, it fires up and it heats it up as it goes through. So you get like instant hot water. So that's just another area where you can make your house more energy efficient. A lot of the technology is there. And here's another thing that's important. As this technology is being revived and used, the price of it goes down and it becomes more reasonable to use.